Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up Jamaica? It's your street reporter Echo, straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen on the morning, wake up, July 7, 2025, Jamaica streets still talking a crime pulse, fear and fire in the air. Kingston, never sleep last night. Multiple gunshots reported in August Town and Denham Town. One man dead, 2 hospitalized residents. Said the violence a flare up again just as peace talks were gaining traction. Meanwhile in St. James, police intercepted a stolen vehicle linked to a Montego Bay robbery chase. Turn up near Bog, and one suspect now in custody, more suspects on the run. Echo said, keep your head up, yard stay attentive. But you lack traffic and road life wreck for real. Major accident pan Bog Walk Gauge early this morning. Truck overturned, backed up traffic for miles. Motorists urged to use bypass routes. A speeding bike met disaster in Old Harbour. Young rider pronounced dead. Helmet found 50 feet high. Meanwhile, new digital speed monitors installed on Constant Spring Road. Transport Minister ramp up enforcement ahead of Emancipation Week travel rush. But big government talk, big moves are big mouth. Il Prime Minister expected to announce our 1-2 billion youth training initiative this week focus on tech skills, entrepreneurship and rural outreach. Critics already a question if it's another PR spin or real opportunity. You're also brewing. Whispers of electricity rate hikes before September. JP are silent so far, but people already feeling the pressure. Street vibes, music nah dead. A gully bank Soundclash in Portmore last night. Shell the place, youths out in full force. Unity vibes mixed with lyrical fire. No violence, just pure bass and bars. Word pon the street. New track from Knox and Jada Kingdom dropping this week. Them say it not normal. This street still rough, but Jamaicans tougher inna the crime, crashes and crisis. Hope still the young leaders arise. Families are fight and the vibe still real. Walk good, talk truth, live clean. Echo out, hey. Echo up on men clock. Big moves or big mouth. Dear Prime Minister expected to announce our 1-2 billion youth training initiative this week focused on tech skills, entrepreneurship and rural outreach. Critics already a question if it's another PR spin or real opportunity. You're also brewing.
All tune in, lock in, every day we there. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. News Jamaica, we run the media. Tune in, lock in, every day we there. Jamaica link the glue from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. News Jamaica, we run the media. Go from London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibe, big sound system. Every day you feel link, stay locked on the rhythm. Jamaica link the globe from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. News Jamaica, we running with the tune in, lock in, every day we there. Jamaica link the globe from yard to the foreigner. News were real, vibes were real. News Jamaica, we run the media. Yeah, News Jamaica, the real source for now. Top it.